knowledge. They need more information to learn and follow. They seek for information and practical advice on leadership. They are very keen to know everything that they could develop and make them a much better person than they are now. With equal pleasure, I invite one such young leader who is passionate to grow. Our ZVP JC Jayant Shetty, Region B, to come on to the dais.
The way to achieve your own success is to be willing to help somebody else to get it first. As we are focusing women's empowerment, it's my honor to invite our special invitee, Corporator of Ramantapur, Srimati Bandari Srivani Garu, onto the dais. The person who possesses high-charged personality attracts powerful ideas. He's diplomatic, gentle, intuitive, and he's a gifted storyteller. He's not aware of his own powerful presence, but everyone admires his presence. He likes to broaden his knowledge and can make any topic under the sky. His default nature to settle the conflicts and create harmony, natural born peacemaker, the quest of enlightening others, his lifelong pursuits.
Zone 12 has one such magnificent personality. His name itself denotes him better than any prefix or suffix words. He is our pride, radiant, who is abundant, basil, elegant, expressive, and our people's person. He is none other than our JC Pradeep sir. I consider it a great honor to invite our keynote speaker, JC Pradeep sir, onto the dais.
Willing to sacrifice yourself to somebody else? So let's remove the darkness and shine our way out. I request JC Shriya, our social media in charge, to invoke JCI creed and mission.
I would like to request everyone to raise for JCI creed. We believe that faith in God gives meaning and purpose to human life, that the brotherhood of man transcends the sovereignty of nations, that economic justice can best be won by free men through free enterprise, that government should be of laws rather than of men, that Earth's great treasure lies in human personality, and that service to humanity is the best work of life. JCI mission to provide development opportunities that empower young people to create positive change. Thank you.
Let's have a divine moment for the day by proceeding with the land lightning ceremony. I request all the dignitaries to join us to light the lamp.
As the president of the law, he had won 16 recognitions at MidCon and won 2 awards and 9 recognitions at ZoneCon. In the year 2020, he won the Outstanding IPP Award at MidCon. He is also associated with other organizations like Hyderabad Vaishya Youth Association and member of other Vaishya Community Association. He spends his time playing cricket, free time playing cricket, watching movies, singing and dancing. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together in welcoming our most eligible chancellor, J.P. Dev Shetty Sudha, our current board president.
నడిస్తే నాయకులు అవరు, 10 మందిని నడిపిస్తేనే నాయకులు అవుతారు. నలుగురు ముందుండి సమాజాన్ని నిలబెట్టాలి అని ఆలోచించేవారు ఎప్పటికైనా నాయకులు అవుతారు అని తన నియోజకవర్గం యువతను నడిపిస్తున్న బీజేపీ వైస్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఆఫ్ తెలంగాణ మైనారిటీ మోర్చా ఇన్ఛార్జ్ గౌరవనీయులైన రామంతపూర్ ఎక్స్ ఎమ్మెల్యే శ్రీ ఎన్వీఎస్ఎస్ ప్రభాకర్ గారిని ఈనాటి ముఖ్య అతిథిగా వేదికను అలంకరించవలసిందిగా కోరుతున్నాం.
My dear friends, it is said, the law I can explain it to you, but I cannot understand it for you. A law is valuable not because it is a law, but because there is right in it. By birth, he is an Aquarius. His education, BCom and Masters in Law. Profession, Advocate, High Court of Telangana and AP. Apart from his profession, he continued his passion towards sports, winning many local and international awards. His self-defense tactics were shown in numerous TV channels like TV9, CVR Health, RTV, NTV, MaTV and the list goes on. He is Sports Authority of Telangana, Ad Committee member. He is member for prestigious Olympic Association of Telangana. He is also the district chairman for Olympic Association of Nature. He is president to Taekwondo Association of Telangana and Thangka Martial Arts Association of Telangana. He is general secretary to Jump Rope Association of Telangana. He is also the chief legal advisor to Hapkido Federation of India. He is skilled in many martial arts forms. He is black belt 8 down in Kung Fu, black belt 1st down in Taekwondo, Karate black belt in Bushiko-Ikan Karate Federation of India. He established Chinese Wushu Kung Fu Martial Arts Academy in the year 2006. This academy trained thousands of national and international students, from which many got government jobs in sports quota in almost all the state and central government departments. He conducted a number of self-defense workshops throughout India in many corporate and government sector offices like Tech Mahindra, Cognizant, Tata Project Works, Vaigami Pharma, DLF, Capital IQ, MAD, Hyderabad Women Journalists Association, National Geological Survey of India, PNG, and a number of government and private schools. Apart from his leadership cadre in various prestigious organizations, he also coached and conducted various national and international championships successfully. He has organized Olympic Day Run 2019 as Olympic Association of Nature District Chairman. He is Sports Coaches Recruitment Board member from 2017 till now for Kendriya Vidyalaya schools. My dear friends, he has immensely contributed to India as a nation by taking up the responsibility as Indian team manager and Indian team coach in several prestigious international championships that were held in Hong Kong, Malaysia, South Korea, China, Bangkok and Taiwan. Under his mentorship, Indian team has won gold medal and several silver and bronze medals and made India proud. He received Hall of Fame Best Dao Man of the Year 2007 award from International Tingo Dao Federation, China and International Blue Track Kung Fu Association, China. He received 2014 Pride of India Award from Sports Authority of Telangana in Wushu Martial Arts. He received Wushu Coach of the Year Award from Wushu Kung Fu Federation of India. He has received many more national and international awards and certificates from different sports associations of the world, where it almost runs to more than 4 pages. Along with these awards, he trained thousands of students in martial arts. He has also visited the great Shaolin Temple of China in 2006. Apart from the above, he developed special easy self-defense techniques for women. Imparted this training under our long banner, Sabala, to almost 30,000 people in government schools, NIM, CCMB, and to other government departments. Here, I welcome our President-elect, none other than J.C. Balraj garu.
Next century, leaders will be those who empower others. So let's have that leader who empowers us with an oath-taking ceremony of our incoming President, J.C. Balaraju.
Our President J.C. Balaraju sir to give the acceptance speech.
Honorable dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, key joints ZGP members, my home loan president and everyone present over here. A very happy evening to you all. I am delegated and humbled by the responsibility entrusted with me to lead a president to the JCI Hyderabad challenges. This movement completely overwhelms me and along with my team of officers. Is it an honor for us the opportunity to serve the loan in 2021? As a successor, I have a responsibility to keep the momentum alive. With a team of officers, ensure to give our best to continue the progress of the loan, and we extend our services to JCI strategic objective of one future and be better. Our 2021 theme is chose to challenge to achieve one future. I would like to thank my mother and family members wholeheartedly for their unconditional support to continue my services in JCI. As a president, I will work towards development of our loan and interests of loan members. Henry Ford said like this: coming together is beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success. Our 2021 goal is move together, work together, grow together. With this, I do accept the responsibility of President of JCI Hyderabad challenges for the year of 2021. Let's rock 2021 tenure with high team spirit. Thank you all. Jai JCI, Jai Hind.
Role in motivating internal and external. One such internal power of motivating self for presidents in JCI Collar and Gavel. May I now request our President Senator Vishweshwar Rao to hand over the collar and Gavel.
Thank you, sir. I now request all the LGB members 2020.
Thank you. Now I request our chief guest NVSS Prabhakar Garu to address the gathering.
Andarki Vandanalu. Today we have newly inducted JC President Mr. Balraju's installation program. On this special occasion, the members and dignitaries on the dais, Mr. Pradeep Garu, Srimati Srivani Garu, and also Mr. Jayant Shetty Garu, and off the dais, my friends and my dear colleagues. And at the outset, today is a very auspicious day and also an important day for Mr. Balraju. Just now, he has been installed as president of this JCI, new chapter, under the able guidance of Mr. Pradeep Garu. I know Pradeep ji since decades. He's a man of different avatars. Avatars in the sense, he's spiritually known person, culturally known person, service oriented, and also personality development oriented activities involved person. That's why a man in different avatars. And today is Mr. Balraj. The name itself shows that he is Bala Raju. This is his first day. So now today he is in Bala state. Bala Raju, for him today is Bala state. From tomorrow onwards, from day after tomorrow onwards, he will grow from Bala to Tarun to Kishore to gentleman. Similarly, the JC under his leadership will also emerge as a powerful service, cultural and personality development center for all of the society. అని చెప్పి నేను సందర్భంగా పేర్కొంటా ఉన్నా. మరి we have seen Lions, we have seen Leos, and we have seen Rotaries, and we have seen many other clubs also. As Mr. Pradeep ji was telling me, this club has got its own importance and prominence, which teach, which practice, which preach for every walk of life to be a disciplined person in their respective fields. That's what this society requires. That's what we, the people, wants to get enlightened by this type of JC's activities. I'm very thankful for the JC new Balraj team for inviting me to participate in this occasion. ఈరోజు నిజంగానే మనం అనుకుంటే బాలరాజు తన యొక్క కెరీర్ని ప్రారంభించుకున్నాడు. ఖచ్చితంగా రాబోయేటువంటి రోజుల్లో ఆయన ఒక కిషోరుడిగా, ఒక తరుణుడుగా, ఒక మంచి ఐడియల్ పర్సన్ గా ఈ జేసీ యొక్క ప్రస్థానాన్ని కూడా తీసుకెళ్తూ ఆయన కూడా అదే రకంగా ఎదుగుతాడని చెప్పని నేను భావిస్తున్నాను. I know Balraj since 80s. He's a man of many arts and martial arts. And he has achieved many medals also in his martial arts experiences. His special art is to touch the hearts of the common man. His present position is very much suitable for him to do the service అని చెప్పని పేర్కొంటూ మరొకసారి ఈ సందర్భంగా మిమ్మల్ని అందరినీ కూడా మరి అవకాశం కలిగించినందుకు ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తూ ముగిస్తున్నా. భారత్ మాతాకి జై.
To address the gathering.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. సారీ ఏమనుకోవద్దు, నేను తెలుగులోనే మాట్లాడతాను. అటెండ్ కావడం ఫస్ట్ టైం. నేను ఇక్కడ రాగానే మీ వెల్కమ్ చాలా బాగుంది. నూతనంగా ఎన్నుకోబడ్డ బాలరాజు గారికి పార్టీ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్. జేసీటీ మెంబర్స్ అందరికీ నా నమస్కారం, హృదయపూర్వక నమస్కారం. ప్రదీప్ గారిని చూడగానే ఫస్ట్ నేను షాక్ అయ్యాను. నేను అతని అభిమానిని. చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి సినిమాలు అంటే ఎంత ఇష్టం. ఇప్పటికీ టీవీలో సినిమాలు వస్తే చూస్తుంటాను. సార్ థ్యాంక్ యూ. నేను మీ మేడం గారికి తరఫున సన్మానం చేయడం నాకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. మేడంని అడిగానని చెప్పి కూడా చెప్పండి. నాకు ఈ అవకాశం ఇచ్చినందుకు ధన్యవాదాలు. మరొకసారి బాలరాజు గారికి కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you.